Hi, I'm Attila. I've already done this Go series in my native language, and now I'm bringing it to you in English. We'll do a quick recap of the basics, since a lot of channels already covered them, and then dive into the advanced topics, what really matters. You will learn Go from basics to software architecture. Just a quick recap of the Go basics. You will learn variables, then go to slices, maps, structs, interfaces. We learned about composition, error handling, file and database management. Finally, we dockerized the entire project with a HTTP server, and we're going to deploy it to the cloud. Then we will move into testing, which is a little bit more serious subject. We will talk about test doubles, stubs, fake, spy, mock, go mock, and finally TDD, and also the anti-patterns, what you shouldn't do. After that, we will cover the advanced concepts like concurrency, sync package, channels, concurrency patterns like fan-out and fan-in, worker pools, and many more. Then comes the fun part. We will create an event-driven system together using queues. But in this episode, we're just going to dive into the Hello World application. For the rest of the series, I will use Visual Studio Code. You can choose any editing software what you like. I assume you already installed Golang into your system. First, let's create our first Go file. Let's create, right-click, new file, and I'm going to name it main.go and start with package Go. I'm in package main. This is the main package. This is a special one. This is our entry point. In Golang, the function's called func. And obviously main and open and closing brackets. And now let's initialize our project. We can do it with the go mode init. Then you can choose a name for your application. I choose hello. And it's created a Go mode file with the module name, and the version which I'm using at the moment is 1.25.3. In Golang, this is a special function, what we call main. This is our main entry point. Also very important that in Golang is a different language than others, and we are not using semicolons at the end of the lines. So it's important where you put your brackets. We have specific characters which are like ending lines and blocks. So if I would just press an enter here, it wouldn't work. It's going to come with practice for you as well. Then comes the hello world. I'm going to say fmt print line. This is print ln and hello world. When I press save, it's automatically importing the fmt package. This is part of the Go standard library. This is a basic package. Now let's see how to run this application. We just say go run and dot, and I can see hello world in my terminal. Golang is a compiler language, which means that I can create an executable, not like PHP, which is running on runtime and interpreted in runtime. I will say go build and dot. If I do that, it's going to search for the main file and will build an executable which is called hello. The name of the executable is the same of the name of the module. And if I just type .hello, it should run, and it does. Let's go just a little bit further. Let's see how can I change the name of the executable if I don't want this to be the default. I say go build -o, which means output, then my chosen name like hello2 and the dot, and it's done. There's the hello dot. By the way, running the application, you don't have to give the dot. You can run it with the file name as well. I go run and hello, not hello main dot go. That's it for today. This is just the introductory, the usual Hello World application. In the next episode, we're going to dive how we can declare variables and many more. This will be a pure coding section. If you would like to stick around, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon, so you're going to get a notification when I'm uploaded the next episode. And of course, you can ask your questions in the comment. See you in the next episode.